edition of Within the Pixels. Today we're going to, and my name is Bert, we're going to be taking a look at folder settings and how those work within Secret Server. This is a pretty quick demo, but I'm going to show you how it works. So go into folder settings here off the settings. And we can see here that these folder settings have a couple of configurations that we can pull from. So we can see the view permissions required for visibility. We can also see that we can enable the personal folders. This is where we do this, and we can make that available for users within the system. And we can have our various configurations with those personal folders. With the personal folders, we also could set a message here that basically says that these secrets that are being stored are for non-personal use, or basically personal accounts like that are tied to basic work, individual work activity. And so that's how that works. And then we apply those folder configurations are applied to either the personal folders or subsequently all the folders if it's the view permission folder. And so that's how that works within Secret Server.